Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar, then type your control panel, click here to open it, then select view by as small icons. Now just scroll down, click on system. Once you are here, we need to scroll down and click on advanced system settings. Then on this window, just select hardware tab, then select device installation settings, and on this window we need to select S, then click on save changes, click on apply and then OK. Once done, again go to right click here, select settings. Now on this window just scroll down and click on troubleshoot, then select other troubleshooters, and from playing audio you need to select run. It will try to detect the problem, and here we go. So we need to uncheck this option, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window, then simply go to search bar, type your device manager, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the sound, video and game controllers. Just click here to expand this, right click on the driver, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Once we are here, make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option, search automatically for drivers. So this will install the best drivers for the particular device. So close this window, then again go to search bar, type your services, click here to open it. Now find out Windows Update, just scroll down and then right click on it, select properties, then you have to start the services. So set startup type as automatic and then click on start, then apply the changes. Once done, open settings, then just scroll down and click on Windows Update and simply check for the latest updates and download them and install all the latest updates for your Windows 11 operating system. Then restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.